Welcome to Financial Ikigai, and congratulations everyone because today on 3rd July 2023, India has established its international stock exchange in Gujarat Gift City. So, with the establishment of international stock exchange, our SGX Nifty is also rebranded as an international index as a GIFT Nifty 50, and there are four contracts like GIFT Nifty 50, GIFT Bank Nifty, GIFT Financial Services, and GIFT Nifty IT. It is basically for NRI investors. They can invest in India by using this international indexes. With the establishment of this international stock exchange, our Indian retailers are also benefited as we will able to invest in international market like USA and China and Japan and Europe. There are currently 8 US stocks available to trade, like Amazon and Meta platforms and Tesla, like these stocks, and we will be able to invest from India in these stocks through our international stock exchange. Basically, this is a wholly owned subsidiary of NSE called NSE IFSC. IFSC stands for International Financial Service Center, and it is located in Gift City, Gujarat, and it is operating with the HDFC banking unit. So let's see how it is working. So the catch is when we buy any international stocks, so basically we place order through the broker in the international stock exchange, but in the place of equity we get the depository receipt. So this is the process of getting the international stocks through our stock exchange. So basically, when we place order for any stocks in international stock exchange, we get the depository receipt instead of equity shares. So this depository receipts we can buy for any equity shares in many fractions. Like for Amazon, we can buy 200 depository receipts for a one equity share. This is how we get those costly stocks for fraction of their actual value of per equity stocks, and depository holder will hold that actual equity shares in the international market. So here depository holder is HDFC Bank International Banking Unit, and when we place an order for any international stock, we get the depository receipt, and HDFC Bank hold the actual equity shares on behalf of us. This is how we able to trade in international market. Currently, the listed stocks in international stock exchange in India is limited to 8 stocks from USA, but in future there will be 50 stocks from USA to trade in US market, and many more things to come. Let's understand some rules before investing. First is we don't get the equity shares, we get depository receipt instead of equity of international stocks. The second is there is because we are not owning any equity, so there is no STT and no stamp duty, but we have to pay the brokerage for broker and the transaction charges to international stock exchange, that is 0.12% for every $100. So basically for every $100 we have to pay 12 cents as transaction charges. And because here in international stock exchange in India we are trading in US dollars, so whenever we add money to our demat account, we have to pay the conversion fees from Indian rupees to US dollars to our banks. So first is currency conversion fees, the second is transaction fees of 12 cents for every $100, and the third is brokerage to our broker. So currently there are 36 brokers are registered in NSE IFSC. So some of them are Edelweiss Securities, Motilal Oswal, and the HDFC Bank Securities, and the most popular Zerodha that I also use personally, that is currently in progress of registering. And another thing that we have to keep in mind is in any financial year we can only invest up to limit of 2.5 lakh US dollars, not more than that. So let's get a brief on this. So we have established international stock exchange in India named NSE IFSC, and it is trading in US dollars. It has currently 4 indexes of Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Financial Services, and IT, named after Gift City, Gujarat. Through this, foreign investor and NRIs can trade in Indian markets and invest in India, and For Indian retailers, it provides the facility of trading in international market and buying stocks from USA and Europe like countries. With this achievement, India has marked the world that border is not the limit for Indian retailers and investors. Thank you.